Hello, in front of me I have DOOGEE Blade 20 Max, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create a backup of your data. Okay, to create a backup we need to launch our settings. Once we are here, scroll down all the way until you find the system. Now find backup. For this method, actually that's the only way to create a backup, we will use our Google account. Our backup will be saved in the cloud, so we'll be able to restore it later or on any other device. But first, down below we can see the backup details, and we need to make sure that photos and videos and also other device data are turned on. Simply tap on them and make sure that they are enabled. In here we have the backup. Make sure that it's turned on, and same thing with other device data. Also down below we can see our Google account that we are currently logged into. And on that account, our backup will be saved and stored. Simply don't forget that account, because if you want to restore the backup later in the future, you'll need to be signed into the same Google account. Also, make sure that you have some free storage space. If you don't have enough, you can click on Get Storage and buy a sub to get more. Or you can simply clean up space and delete, for example, some of the photos that you don't need. And you will also get some space. Okay, now everything is enabled, so click on Backup Now button. The process will now begin. It may take a little bit, so you just need to be patient. As you take a look in here, a small circle appeared and it's slowly fulfilling. Basically, when it disappears, it means that our backup has been successfully created. If everything goes fine, we'll also see a notification on the bottom of the screen. So it's going to take a little bit, so I'll see you in a second. Okay, the backup has been successfully created. Also, under other device data, we can see that the backup has been created 0 minutes ago, so that's like a confirmation that everything went successfully. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.